Today I am going to discuss about the basic terms of DBMS, that is Database Management System. Database Management System. Okay. So first, it is very important to know some basic terms because these terms are very useful in next points. So first of all, I'm going to discuss about entity. What is an entity? As I take an example here, distinguishable object that has an independent existence in the real world. Distinguishable object that has an independent existence in the real world is called entity. That means, see here, I take an example. I take a table of a student where 3 columns are there having student ID, student name and student age. Okay, and 3 rows are there which contains 3 data. So E1, first ID is E1, the student name Ram and age 20. Next E2, the student name Shyam and age 19. And in this way, the student having ID EN, name Mohan and age 22. So these are all students having their existence in the real world. So they are distinguishable object that has an independent existence in the real world. It's called entity. So they are entity. Okay, they are entity. Now next is entity type. A set or a collection of entities. As you know, these are entity, and the collection of entity, they same attribute but different values. Same attribute but different values is known as entity type. So student here, student is the entity type. So these are the entities of entity type student. Again, these are the entities of entity type student. That means the entity here, the entity type is student. Okay. Next is attribute. What is attribute? Attribute are those property which describe the entity. That means here ID, name, age are separated attribute. So these are attribute which describe the entity. That means ID, there has some IDs there. Obviously name, some name are there, student names are there, age. In this way, lots of tables, lots of attributes are there of different entity type. Okay, if you take employee, you may create their employee ID, employee name, employee age, employee designation, date of joining, etc. etc. They are user defined. As per the requirement of the user, we may describe the table. Okay, next is domain. Domain is a set of permitted value is called domain. That means if we take the age must be in this condition. If it for an example, I just set, if I set the age must be 10 less than age less than 100. So must be the age between 10 to 100. Okay, so these are the some basic terms which I described in this video. Okay, thank you.